Here's why stubbornness will never get you what you want. For the last 8 years of my life, I never wore jeans, okay? I never wore jeans. I hated fucking jeans. I hated the way they felt. But you know what's crazy is how for the last 8 years that I really hated jeans, I've never actually tried to wear them again. And that stubbornness of like, oh, I won't like it, or oh, I won't try this. It's kind of like an egotistical thing. You're just stroking your ego and making it easy for you not to try new things. Like, we have to start letting ourselves be more open to shit that maybe we didn't like in the past, but could also be maybe beneficial for us now. And like, when I was in Vegas, I was like, you know what? Like, I've always said I hated jeans. I need some nice clothes to go out to dinner tonight. Like, I'm not gonna show up in fucking joggers. Like, I have to wear something nice. So I was like, you know what? We're gonna get jeans. And honestly, I fucking like them now. I don't know why, but I got 2 pairs and I have nonstop been wearing them. Dave has been pointing out around the house. I haven't stopped wearing them. Like, sometimes there's things that you think are not like fun, or you never would have liked them, but like now your circumstance might have changed. Maybe you're at a different place in your life. Like, it's okay to try new things that maybe once weren't the greatest, but now can help you out. Like, you've grown as a person. You've experienced so many things. Like, try those things again, because you never know how it's going to taste this time, right? I just did not like those things, but now I do. And it's like, for me, I always wore joggers. I always wore shorts. I avoided jeans at all costs. And now that I'm actually wearing them again, like, I feel fucking really good. Like, I like the style. I like the ripped shit. Like, I'm starting to find more about myself by just simply trying things that I thought were shit that now are fun. So like, that's my little message for you today. Like, go try something you haven't really done in a while and just like express yourself. Like, it's fun.